There are currently an average of 1.2 billion cars worldwide. Looking further into it, you discover that there are 30 million cars in the UK alone. A large majority of cars in the UK are powered by fossil fuels. The problem with fossil fuels is that they are a finite source of energy and are due to run out in the future. Oil will approximately last 50 years, natural gas another 70. This creates a problem because when the source runs out, it cannot be recovered again. At this point in time, cars are such a convenient method of travel and make life easier for many. They save us time and also indicate status. This mentality has a negative effect on people as they do not realize that the consequence that it has on the world. In a society where materialism thrives, cutting down the amount of cars is not a realistic solution to the problem. A better solution is to reinvent the way we power our vehicles.
The problem with current electric cars is that the time taken for them to charge is much longer, by hours in comparison to the time it takes us to obtain a full tank of fuel. For the average day-to-day user, charging a car with such a long charge time for daily use can be inconvenient. Our solution is simple. All the kinetic energy made by the movement of the wheel wasted during braking is saved. That same energy is converted into electrical energy and stored in a reserve battery. This battery is charged up using this method, and when the primary battery is low on charge, the two batteries swap roles. Similar to a hybrid car, except our solution requires no fuel of any sort.
A regular car engine uses fuel in order to do combustion and release energy in order to create movement. However, a lot of this energy is wasted due to braking and then again accelerating. The high level of energy wasted is not the most efficient source of power for our cars, or the most environmentally friendly. Our idea is based around the concept of harnessing the same kinetic energy which is usually wasted and using it to our advantage. We can do this by attaching a dynamo to each of the wheels and storing the energy in a secondary battery. The kinetic energy is then converted and allows for more electrical energy to be generated by the batteries over time.
What's the point of all this? You scientists might not know this, but greenhouse gases such as CO2 are warming the earth and creating nothing but chaos. In the last 10 years alone, the CO2 level has increased from 379 to 403 parts per million. This has drastic effects such as sea levels rising, habitat destruction, and 7 million deaths per year. Dynamos not only save more energy, but in the long run saves us money and gives more mileage. It may seem small, but on a huge scale it can make a difference on pollution.